Alright, so I was looking for one of these 1x30 grinders. One says it's 1 inch wide, and 30 is the length of the belt that's on it. And it's also got another little 5 inch grinder over on this side. Anyway, I was looking for a while. I was going to get, there's a Wen on Amazon. And it was in the $170, $180 price range, which was just a little bit much for me, I thought. And I found this one here at Busy Bee Tools, which I liked even better because it's a Canadian company, and they've got an outlet not very far from here. So I picked this thing up, and then I built this plywood box, and I screwed it onto it. Excuse me. I took the little feet off it there, and I went in and I got some longer bolts, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that hold this thing on there. So I can use it this way. Or we can also use it this way here, which is the way I kind of wanted to run it for sharpening knives, right? And the only question then is, what is this angle? So to figure out that angle, luckily I already had bought this digital angle finder, and I can switch that from percent to degrees to gradients. And so I'll put that on there. It's magnetic. And just a total fluke, that says 0.00. I knew it was close to level, but that's dead on. So, like, that's what I'm looking for, is that number there, not so much, it's 0.6 there. And so then I got this chunk of wood here, and I cut that out. This here is 15 degrees. Then, so that's going to want to change a little bit, so I put a screw in there, right there, and so this can change a little bit, right? So if I put this thing on there, well, this is 29, put it down a bit, 22, I can get it down to 15 or whatever I want, right? So I know that belt there's 0. About 18, 15.3, that's good enough. 0.1, 0.01, 15.3, good enough. And so once I get to that close, I'm not sure exactly if I'm just going to use this thing here to kind of show me the angle. And then I go over here and run that thing across. Or if I want to actually use this, I have to keep it back a bit. For the angle, just do that a little bit. And then I can use this block to kind of hold that angle.